Top 6 Shopify products for summer 2026. Portable dog water bottle. Pet owners love convenience. Especially in summer, this portable dog water bottle makes outdoor walks, road trips, and travel much easier and solves a real daily problem for pet parents. Number 2 is the World Cup bar set. This product is perfect for game nights, home bars, BBQs, and fan gatherings. It's giftable, collectible, and easy to market to football fans before the season peaks. The number 3 is Foldable Ice Cup. It is made for summer drinks, travel, and outdoor use. The collapsible design saves space, while the straw and leak-proof structure make it practical for daily use. It's a fun, portable product with strong viral potential. The 4th one is Water Gun, a summer toy that instantly catches attention. This firework-style water gun is fun, eye-catching, and perfect for pool parties, beach days, and outdoor play. It's highly visual. The number 5 is the anti-slip body glue. Summer outfits need better fixing solutions. This anti-slip body glue helps keep clothing, straps, and low-cut outfits in place without visible tape. It solves an awkward fashion problem, making it perfect for beauty, fashion, and summer outfit content. The last one is the camping string lights. Camping and outdoor living are huge summer trends. These camping string lights create a cozy atmosphere for tents, patios, RVs, and backyard parties. They're lightweight, decorative, and easy to sell through lifestyle videos and outdoor setup content.